How to activate your ANZ credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate ANZ credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in anz.com. Now press on enter. You will be taken to the official website of ANZ. Here, you will need to make sure you are logged into your account. If not, you may also click on this login button at the top right, and then you will need to use your customer registration number and then password in order to log in to your ANZ internet banking account. Once you log into your account, now you will need to click on the settings menu. After that, select activate card from that options. Once you do that, now you will be prompted to enter the details of your card, such as your card number, security code, expiration date, and even your name printed on your card. Once after entering the details, you will be prompted to set a PIN for your card. And after setting the PIN, you will be able to activate your ANZ credit card online. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate your ANZ credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.